Hello friends, in this video I showed you how to transfer money HDFC bank account to another bank account using HDFC mobile banking app. First friends, you log in HDFC net banking app. App friends, I log in ready, and you see here have option money transfer. Click here and click here. Click here. So here have friends four option: bank account, Indian credit card, cardless cash, and bank outside India. So I send in a bank account. So I choose here bank account. Just simply click here and click here. Here have option HDFC bank account and non HDFC bank accounts. So I select here non HDFC bank account. And friends, this interface open ready. Here you writing name, you send who that person name you writing here. And downside have account number, that person account number you writing here. And next have re-enter account number. So again writing account number here. And next have account type. So friends, here have all option, but type of account. I send in a saving account. So I select here saving account. Then click here. Here you writing IFSC code. So IFSC code I writing ready. Just simply click here find. Click here select. And you see here upside have option name. You send who that person name you writing here. So friends, all done ready. Just simply click here continue. Then click here confirm. And after you receive an OTP, which number register with your HDFC account. So that number you receive an OTP, that OTP you writing here. Click to continue. And click to done. So friends, beneficiary add ready in my account. When you transfer money anyone, so must you need add beneficiary first. So beneficiary friends, I add ready. Now I transfer money. Just simply click here money transfer and click here. So friends, you see beneficiary show here. Before I add ready my another Indian bank account. So you see here first my name and downside have bank name and next have account number. So any beneficiary you add, so same like this show here. Just simply click that beneficiary. And you see here all details show here. Here just you need writing amount. So I show you demo. So I writing here 100. Click here. Scroll down. And here have option remark. Here just you writing hi. And click to continue. And here you double check all detail. How much money you send, beneficiary name, account number. If everything okay, just simply click here. Click here confirm. And click to continue. And OTP friends I receive ready. Just writing here OTP and click to continue. So friends, you see here money transfer successfully. So very simple or easy friends. You also can transfer money very easily using HDFC mobile banking app. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.